NOLA Gent here at the Clarion Inn and Suites in Auburn, Alabama. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Welcome to NOLA Gent. Let the good times roll.
If you're looking for where to stay in Auburn, Alabama, travel with me on our Clarion Inn and Suites University Convention Center review videos to help you decide if this hotel is for you. In this episode, we were looking for places to stay in the Auburn, Alabama area on a Monday night. Clarion Inn and Suites University Convention Center is located in Auburn, Alabama at 1577 South College Street, which is about 5 hours and 360 miles away from the New Orleans French Quarter. We will do a full Clarion Inn and Suites University Convention Center review in this Alabama travel video. Doing our review of hotel stays is usually part of our travel around to places where we will be enjoying other activities, so make sure to check out our other videos for this area and many others. This place looks like it was a pretty cool happening spot back in the 70s, but currently it's in more of a rundown state and has definitely seen some better days. I don't think they have conventions here anymore from what I can tell from the interior convention center. Just like this waterfall here has not worked in quite a while either. There's a lot of themes that look like they have not worked in a while in this space. So it certainly is an interesting example of some historic hotel architecture. The interior here is pretty spacious in the lobby, and the convention center over that area doesn't look so good. Now the outside has some beautiful trees, and here in the rear area you can see that it's got some definite interesting stuff here in the interior courtyard. They also had some beautiful looking nature area, and also they had a pretty decent looking swimming pool as well. They do have an exercise center here, although it's currently out of service, and I'm guessing it probably has been out of service for quite a while. So this fitness center, but it's out of order apparently because of COVID situations. So it looks like they used to have some stuff in here. So I apparently got super deluxe accommodations with my room being right here next to the beautiful patio view of the pool. Although the pool is closed and it's not very warm, so I can't use the pool. Now it is a pretty nifty looking pool area that maybe is fun when the weather's nicer, but here's my hotel room. Let's go check it out. Oh, okay, so 2 beds. We got a microwave, refrigerator, nothing in the fridge. Got a flat screen TV, dresser with some drawers, nothing in them, of course. A nice desk right here. Little mirror there. We got an alarm clock, and we got some outlet plugs, so that's a good thing to have. So nice cushy looking pillows, a little artwork, fire alarm, multiple mirrors, of course. Have a nice little bathroom sink area. Got coat hangers. Ooh, rusty. Fortunately, I left all my hanging clothes at my vehicle, as I'm pretty sure any light colored or white colored shirts would be totally ruined by all the rust on this. It doesn't look so nice. So, got an iron and an ironing board. Got a safe, little luggage rack there you can pull out, put your luggage on top of that. Coffee maker. Then we have some soap and some little products here. Let's see, the hair dryer's right there, and then we have our little towels right there. Some more stuff in here. This toilet paper area has definitely seen better times. Definitely is some damage there, barely hanging on. A lot of rust on the metal there. I also discovered that this toilet paper holder was pretty awful at holding toilet paper. Toilet looks clean there. Looks a little corroded on top there. And some towels, of course, with just some soap. I don't see Any other things in here? Well, just a little bit of corrosion down on the drain there. Ooh, I don't think I even want to know what has been poured down into this drain. No cover on the drain, so if you get anything down there, it's probably gone. And the shower has probably seen better days. They've cleaned it pretty well. There is a distinct odor of mildew in this room, though. This carpet certainly has seen several years of wear as well, I believe. There was also what looked like chewing gum stuck in the carpet as well to add to the decor. So, I think maybe I paid too much for this hotel. So, only one night here, but the adventure continues. After sleeping in the bed, I found these pillows to be pretty uncomfortable and small, and the bed was quite uncomfortable as well. So the total for my one night stay was $64.88, which I didn't think the hotel was worth it. Other than the location, I was very close to beautiful downtown Auburn, which is a wonderful place to be able to get to very easily. Although I think it probably would have been better to pay just a little bit more for a whole lot better quality stay. Now, if you need a place that's got a good location like this one, then this might be for you. But there's some other places that are just a little bit more expensive that are way nicer and not too far away as well. If you want to see what I got up to while I was in downtown Auburn, I'll have a video linked at the end of this one for you to check out. So, thanks so much to all of you out there for tuning into the NOLA Gent Channel. Would you kindly go ahead and share this video with any of your friends or contacts that would enjoy it, as it really would help me with the YouTube algorithm. Then tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people. NOLA Gent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.